Hello everyone! Hope that everyone enjoyed Orlando last week and now are safely back home. Last week brought us some exciting market news, so let's check what is new in power semiconductors industry. onsemi announced a new range of ultra-efficient 1200-volt insulated gate bipolar transistors that minimize conduction and switching losses at a performance level that is industry-leading in the market. Intended to enhance efficiency in fast switching applications, the new devices will be primarily used in energy infrastructure applications like solar inverters, uninterruptible power supplies, energy storage, and EV charging power conversion. Qorvo presented a new surface mount tall package for its high-performance 5.4 mOhm 750-volt silicon carbide FETs. This is the first product in a family of 750-volt SiC FETs that will be released in a tall package with on resistance ranging from 5.4 mOhm to 60 mOhm. These devices are ideal for use in space-constrained applications such as AC/DC power supplies ranging from several hundreds of watts to multiple kilowatts, as well as SSRs and circuit breakers up to 100 amps. The electrification of everything is driving the growth of silicon carbide semiconductors as large market segments such as e-mobility, sustainability, and industrial turn to silicon carbide power solutions because of its fast switching capabilities, lower power loss, and higher temperature performance. To help power design engineers transition to silicon carbide power solutions with ease, speed, and confidence, Microchip technology announced its MPLAB silicon carbide power simulator that quickly evaluates Microchip silicon carbide power devices and modules across various topologies before committing a design to hardware. Power Integrations announced a 900-volt gallium nitride extension to the company's InnoSwitch 3 family of Flyback switcher ICs. The new ICs, which feature the company's proprietary power GaN technology, deliver up to 100 watts with better than 93% efficiency, eliminating the need for heat sinks and streamlining design of space-challenged applications. InnoSwitch 3 designs also offer exceptional light load efficiency, making them ideal for providing auxiliary power in electric vehicles during low-power sleep modes. Transphorm announced availability of a third high-power gallium nitride design tool using a digital signal controller from Microchip technology. The kit is a 3 kW DC to AC non-isolated full-bridge inverter evaluation board. It pairs Transphorm's Super GaN FET with Microchip's digital signal controller board, which includes pre-programmed firmware that can be easily customized per end application requirements. Use of the new board highlights Transphorm's gallium nitride superior performance and enables an understanding of how gallium nitride can be used for broad industrial and renewables power systems. While the adoption of gallium nitride devices has expanded in recent years due to their superior high-speed switching characteristics, the speed of control ICs, which are responsible for directing the driving of these devices, has become challenging. In response, ROHM has further evolved its ultra-high-speed pulse control technology, nanopulse control. It is cultivated for power supply ICs, succeeding in significantly improving the control pulse width from the conventional 9 nanoseconds to an industry-best 2 nanoseconds. Leveraging this technology allowed ROHM to establish its ultra-high-speed control IC technology that maximizes the performance of gallium nitride devices. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day.